Hello everyone. Today, AUTOSHOP Vietnam would like to send you a tutorial video on how to use the Smartfi device to read the key ID code for Yamaha Tmax 560. This is for the case when the customer has lost all the keys and needs to retrieve the old key ID to register a new key for the bike. You will need to prepare the Smartfi device, the gray adapter and the multicolor cable. I have also prepared a Yamaha Tmax 560 SCU with the plastic cover removed. And finally, a tablet or smartphone to connect with Smartfi 2. Now I will connect the tablet with Smartfi 2 to perform the function of reading the key ID in this Yamaha Tmax SCU. On the tablet, select Advanced Functions. Smart Key Advanced. Yamaha. Smart Key Programming for Yamaha Tmax 2025. Advanced Functions. Read Key ID. On the screen, you can see the connection guide showing how to solder the multicolor cable to the SCU. You need to carefully solder the wires to the exact pin positions as instructed. It is necessary to solder on both sides of the SCU. I have already soldered the wires to the SCU. Now I will connect the wires to the adapter following the instruction image. After finishing the connection, press Continue. Smartfi 2 has successfully read the key ID codes. Once you have the key ID information, you can use this code to program new keys for the bike by connecting the SCU to the Tmax Smart Key cable, or by adding new keys directly on the bike using the manual method. This is the tutorial video on how to use the Smartfi 2 device to read the key ID for Yamaha Tmax 560. If you would like to purchase the Smartfi 2 device or upgrade this feature for your Smartfi 2, please contact us via the WhatsApp hotline number displayed below the screen. Thank you for watching the video.